Right, here we go. This is the annual Tremors in the Tunnel ride 2025. New Year's Eve, last ride of the year. Let's get into it. Roll the intro.
Hi, Big Bear!
Haha, you filthy lot, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. You need to ring that bell, you need to like, you need to subscribe, blah 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 blah. Anyway, head to Tommy's down at Sea to get ready for Tremors in the Tunnel ride 2025. Right, so starting at Tommy's at Sea, there he is there, man himself. Anyway, for those of you that don't know, Tremor in the Tunnel is a charity ride. It's to raise funds for the Great North East Air Ambulance, so it's a very good cause. It's the last ride of 2025 for a lot of people. It's New Year's Eve, and it's a great chance to catch up, see some guys that you maybe don't see all the time, have a great little community ride, raise some money, and just have a great day. So it's a short ride, but down to the numbers, it does take a while to get there, maybe 10 miles in total. But see him, County Durham, through Sunderland, through the Tyne Tunnel, and pops out at Wallsend. So there we go, slowly getting everyone out on the open highway, heading towards the Tyne Tunnel. I'll just take this opportunity now to wish you all a very happy new year. We hope 2026 gives you everything that you've dreamed of and more. So it is a short ride, but I'm still not going to bore you with all the boring bits, all the city driving, all the dual carriageway stuff. I'll snip it all down for you, and then we'll cut to the main event. So as you head through Sunderland, you go over the River Wear, and this is the Spire Bridge. Beautiful. So the A19, bit of dual carriageway. This is the mundane, the boring bit, but unfortunately we've got to do it to get to the Tyne Tunnel because the A19 runs through the Tyne Tunnel. Anyway, this is the first year I've done this because I've only been riding since March this year. I have passed my full licence, but I'm currently still on a 125cc motorbike. So if you're looking at getting into riding, if you're a bit nervous, I haven't been riding for long, then you can join events like this. Some aren't 125 friendly, but most of them are, and you'll never be made more welcome. Right, here we are, pulling in the inspection area at the Tyne Tunnel, regroup, the marshals shut the tunnel, and then we all have a blast through. I'm going to keep quiet now because you all want to hear this. you can actually feel the noise. It's not just hearing it, you can feel it, just ooh, something I've never experienced before, but that's tremendous. We're not even in the tunnel yet. If you're listening with headphones on, maybe knock it down a bit. And there we go, out the other side. Wow, the noise, it's one of those things, you'll get it on the audio here, but you won't feel it, you won't get that sensation. That was truly epic, and I'll certainly be doing that again next year. Fantastic, fantastic. So as this video draws to a close, which unfortunately it has to, I'd just like to say everyone involved with this, there was Northeast Bikers, there was Bikers Against Theft Northeast, there were Bikers Unite, there were I think 3 or 4 different MCCs joined, everyone who's donated, everyone who's raised money for a very welcome cause. I wish every single one of you a happy new year, and thank you lovely guys for watching.